So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Whoa! Hey! It's me, Blippi. Are you ready to draw with me today? Yeah! Today, you and I are gonna draw the T-Rex 1 UTV from T-Rex Ranch. Wow, what a cool looking vehicle, right? Whoa, it's so cool because it goes so fast. Okay, I'm gonna start with the color black right here. Whoa, because I'm gonna draw the wheels, or actually the tires first. Okay, let's draw one tire right here. Whoa! And then one tire right there. Look at those two big circles. And then I'll take the color green, whoa, and draw a circle on the inside, just like that, and one right there. And now for the body. Yeah, let's go like this for the tailgate. There we go. Woo! There we go. Whoa! This UTV is very fast. Whoa! Yeah, the park rangers at T-Rex Ranch, they use the T-Rex 1 to get around. Yeah, they go visit tons of different dinosaurs there. Okay, now let's get back to black, and then let's draw the roof. Yeah, and the roll bars. Whoa! So let's go like this. Whoop! Whoop! Two straight lines, and then for the roof, just like that. Whoa! And then back here. Whoa! And yep, more straight lines. And then, whoa, a circle right there, and that's the steering wheel. Whoa! And then let's actually draw the mouth. Yeah, it has a really cool design on the side. Yeah, like a T-Rex mouth. Whoa, a really wide triangle. And then we need a bunch of teeth. Let's use black again. Ready? A bunch of small triangles. And now on the bottom. Wow! Now does that look like a fierce rig? Yeah, I know it does. It looks so fun. Well, speaking of fun, if you had fun drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout.